It's a pretty broad TESOL program. We offer courses in the theory, second language acquisition, and methodologies and things like this. But we also apply that so that people come out of the program as educated decision makers.
Students benefit from the course because it provides them with a theoretical background to the teaching of English as a second language. The course has a strong practical orientation. It aims to actually help them to apply theory into the practice of their own teaching.
We have wonderful staff who are great teachers. We have people who do cutting-edge research, and they are the people who are teaching in our programs, who are updating our programs, and we really do keep them, all that we teach, very current, informed by the latest research.
First of all, I'm interested in doing PhD in Australia, and then I search online and find Perth and find Curtin. I find out that Professor Rod Ellis is a academic staff over here, and he's a world-renowned professor in this area.
Curtin is among the highest ranked universities in Australia. It is a university that is recognized by the Chinese government, the Chinese Research Council.
We have the flexibility to give students what they need as developing professionals. And we have a staff that is diverse enough to meet the needs of students around the world.
These are up-to-date courses developed by people who are world leaders in their research areas.
Choosing here is a great choice. You will get qualified supervision here, and you have a bunch of friends doing similar stuff and having similar ideas, chasing the dream here. I really recommend Curtin as a place to study. I'm learning and I'm enjoying as well.
The thing that I like about Curtin is that it provides flexibility, it's a relaxed environment, it's a very open learning environment in terms of diversity and different points of view. And Perth is a great place to live. It's got to be the best place in the world to live. I love it here.
It's great. It's sunny and the beautiful beaches in summer. Well, it's a totally different experience from my own hometown in China.
Yeah, another really good reason to study at Curtin is the range of scholarships that we have available for international students. And information on that is available on our website.